You're watching Homegirl Creates with Hey Homeboy! We've had this table for many years. It's nearly as old as our youngest child. It's seen its wear and tear. It's ready for a makeover. Some of the damage has got some interesting stories, and we laugh about them. And some of them are like, wait, how did this happen? Does anybody remember this? And some of us are not admitting to why this happened. Baby Bill, do you know anything about this? Maybe we should ask the kids. Do they know? Maybe they can explain who spilled nail polish remover all over the table, or whose Sharpie bled through the paper, or why there's this giant gouge in the side. And it's all just the stories we share, and of the times that we gathered around it, and the memories. We also love our animals, and they create wear and tear on furniture too. We had lots of foster puppies. They like to play and chew. Even when Mama says, "Stop that! No!" And then we took in rabbits. And sometimes one would be sick and we would nurse it at the table. Give it its medicine. This is Baggins. Look at him wiggle his little nose as he takes his medicine. Aww. And we celebrated many birthdays at this table. Some of us more than others. Sometimes, we eat at the table. Homeboy made a mixture of just water and Dawn dish soap and went ahead and started cleaning every chair and every part of the table. He loves to clean, and that's good for me because I don't. And then we started to fix the broken pieces, and we replaced the rungs on the chair with dowels and glue. And since it was Homeboy's Christmas vacation, he decided he wanted to paint the chairs. And I said, go for it. Why not? He's very meticulous and detail-oriented. And this took a while, but he did such a good job. And I'm so proud of my homeboy. Even though I said, don't wear that shirt, you might get paint on it. We had the family tradition that when it was dinner time, we would all gather around the table for dinner. And it was important that we would go around the table and everyone share a little bit about their day. Everyone had a chance to talk. One of our kids liked to talk more than the others, so she would usually go last so that the others at least, had something to say. We had lots of laughs and lots of conversations, and sometimes there were tears. We'd play board games and just have a lot of fun. It's family time. Unlike this homegirl here, Homeboy, he cleans his brushes like, you're supposed to when you're done using them. Anyhow, here's the after. Oh, isn't it pretty? We haven't decided if we want to do any accent colors. This paint has a built-in top coat, so it's sealed. I love how it turned out. So proud of my homeboy.